No, not a problem whatsoever. Cool. Hello, Sylvie. Good to see you here too, man. Awesome. Look at Paul's background. I hope it's real, because the other day, this week, you guys, James is very naughty. James Collin. He's got, have you guys seen when he comes into the Zoom session, he's got the screens, and then you see on the one screen, the things running and whatever. That is all fake. He told me it's all fake. And I was so impressed with what he was doing there. And he says, you know what? It's OBS. And remember, this week I told you we are training on OBS and all that kind of stuff. OBS did all of that for him. So yes, obviously, and I mean, he's not in here today. That's very strange that he's not here today. Maybe he is in the groups and I just didn't see him. And I think there was a question in one of the groups. Let me just go back there. Do we have a webinar promoting Builderall? No, believe it or not that I'm aware of, but we should. Why can't you be, Alex, be the first one to create a webinar or a webinar funnel? That would be awesome. For sure. Let me see if I've got something else here.
One other thing, Jackie, a webinar promoting the Builderall,